So if you're looking for lotions to brighten, glow, maintaining your skin tone as well as treating your skin, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to be listing out 5 lotions that you can actually use to achieve these looks. Okay, now there's one thing to whiten up and it's another thing to maintain your whitening skin or your whitened skin. A lot of people feel it's just about whitening and bleaching the skin. No, there's much more to that. It's just like liposuction. The aftercare is what really matters. So when you're whitening your skin, what lotions do you need to actually maintain it as well as brighten it? Now, brightening means you enhancing your skin tone, putting it out there, letting people know that I'm not just light skin, but my light skin is popping. I'm not just caramel skin, but my caramel skin is popping. I'm not just dark skin, but my dark skin is popping. So this lotion is not just limited to light skin people, it's also meant for caramel as well as dark skin. Okay, it all depends on how you want to play around with it. But if you're interested in this video, definitely do well to keep on watching. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm laughing because for people that have been following me for like 2 years now, they know I don't film skincare videos with makeup on. You guys bullied me when I just started off this channel. A lot of people will be like, why are you telling me about this lotion when you're putting up makeup, and how do I even know if your skin is cleaning? So that's why I don't wear makeup when filming videos. But the thing is, June 4th is my birthday. Today is 1st of June. I don't know when this video is going to come up, but whenever you're going to see this video, just know that I'm just coming back from my photo session. Okay, so yeah, that's why you're seeing the makeup on. So if you have issues with that, please excuse it, but I can't help but admire my face. Okay, so yeah, now with all that ranting, I don't know if that's a rant, but yeah, with that being said, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now and put on your post notification bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I drop new videos, because I noticed a lot of people complaining that they don't get notifications from me. So please don't forget to turn on your post notification bell icon if you love what we're doing here. Okay, so like I said, in this video, I'm going to be listing out lotions that you can actually use to brighten as well as maintaining your skin tone. Not just limited to maintaining your skin tone, it's also going to treat your skin from hyperpigmentation, discoloration, redness, wrinkles, stretch marks, and all of that. If you have bleaching effects, this lotion is going to calm your skin real good. Okay, so the very first one I have on my list that I would call a treatment lotion, like I'll beat my hand on my chest and call it a treatment lotion, is the Palmer Skin Success. I used this lotion in 2020. Somebody got it and then she was like, oh no, she doesn't want it again. I'm like, you know what, I need it. Okay, and I liked the way he worked on me, because at the time, pure Egyptian magic that I was using, I don't know if I got the fake one. Okay, I think I got the correct one there. It destroyed my skin. I started using the Palmer Skin Success. I'm like, okay, that was the time I actually started off my YouTube channel. I'm like, okay, what this lotion did was treating my skin. First of all, it blended my skin. No dark knuckles, no bleaching effect, no strawberry skin. Like it, because it has moisturizing ingredients that will help moisturize your skin, thereby making it pop. So it moisturized my skin, evened out my skin tone, maintained my skin, and treated my skin. So that's why I call it a treatment lotion. I don't know why people are underestimating this lotion, but people that know the importance of this lotion really can attest to this fact. People who are into skincare, the skincare formulators, some of them are using this particular lotion to do premix, because when you use Skin Success to premix, you hardly get reaction. So which is why you want to, and even if you go to a dermatologist or some skin therapist, they will tell you, if you need to treat your skin, go use Skin Success Palmers, because it treats your skin, it calms your skin. Like, okay, let me take a chill pill. This lotion is good. Go try it out and get back to me. Let me know your take on it. Okay, the very next lotion on my list that is super amazing is Dr. Teal. Dr. Teal comes in different variants. So a lot of people have been talking about the citrus, concentrating on the citrus, whereas we have other ones that are very nice. So if you're looking out to brighten your skin as well as lightening up, giving it some sort of touch, like maybe a shade or two, you can go for the citrus, because it will lighten, brighten, as well as glow your skin, and it's also going to maintain your skin. It's not going to give you like from 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. No, it's not like that. But if not, you can as well, just I've forgotten the name, I'm going to leave it on the screen. It's also very nice that you can use to maintain your skin tone. It has a lot of amazing ingredients that will help blend your skin, that will help treat your skin really, really good. Okay, so yeah, the next lotion on my list I love really, really well is the QEI. No, now get this point. QEI comes in different variants targeted to meet different skin needs, different skin type, as well as different skin concern. They are one and the same English. Okay, now the thing is, we have privilege, we have oriental, we have the we have the extreme white, we have the one with carrot. I'm not a lover of carrot. I don't do carrot. Carrot don't like me, so I don't like it. Okay, but yeah, now the prices comes based on how active or how effective the range you're going for is. Now let me break it down, because myself the English confused me. The privilege one is cheaper than the oriental one, and then the oriental one is cheaper than the because all lighting is better than the oriental. Then so which is why I don't know, but like, why are they selling it like that? If the all is retailing for 20,000, the oriental one will be retailing for 18,000, the privilege one will be retailing for 16,000 to 16,500, like 2,000 naira, 1,500 naira difference, for reasons I don't even know why. So the only issues you have with this lotion is the fact that prices goes up and down. That is one thing with it, but if not, there are lotions you can use for a long time. Now the one I would recommend for maintenance is the privilege one. The privilege one is super nice. It will maintain your skin, glow it, and then balance it. It will give you this even skin tone, no dark knuckles, no redness, no green veins, no stretch mark. It's very, very nice. Now the oriental one gives you a shade or two lighter, then maintains it. These lotions are lotions that you can use for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. If it gives you a shade lighter, it's not going to give you another shade lighter, or like, it's not going to skyrocket from 2 shades to 3 shades. It gives you 2 shades, it's going to maintain that 2 shades till the later. So it doesn't add another shade to it. No, it doesn't do that. So that's why I would recommend it for people who are looking out to lighten as well as maintaining the skin tone at the same time. So when you're lightening up or when you're whitening up, don't just go after lightening or after whitening. Let your focus not just be on whitening. Your focus should also, because it is even more difficult to get products that will maintain your skin tone, because sometimes I get that feeling when you go out, people tell you, oh, you look a little darker, what are you now using? Yes, they might darken you that first instance, but as time goes on, it will now, you know, blend whatever, like that's your skin tone. So don't freak out when it's, you know, when it's giving you that, is making you a shade darker, or is making you feel like you're darkening. Don't feel down, because there are maintenance body lotions that will maintain your skin, glow your skin, and then brighten you. Okay, now the next lotion that I will highly recommend is Pure Carrot Lotion. Pure Carrot Lotion is a lotion that I've had experience. In fact, people that are close to me, I call them my sisters. I recommended this lotion to them in 2020 when I first started off my YouTube channel. And then the two of them have been using, one is using the one with carrot, the other one is using the one with gold. And for 3 years, these girls are still using this lotion. And now, since the lotion gave them a 2 shade lighter since 2020, it has not added another shade. That is what I am saying. There are lotions that we actually, you know, maintain your, they will brighten you, lighten you, and then still maintain your skin tone. What else should you be looking out for? What kind of lotion should you even be using? Because if you ask me, these are lotions I would recommend for anybody. If you're looking for a long-term stuff, these are lotions you should consider. So now my target is for those people who have whitened up their skin, and now they're now looking for lotions to maintain their skin tone, and at the same time don't want to go darker. And then people who are already bleached and damaged, or you have bleached damaged skin, your skin is tan, you're looking all reddish or whatever, like people are asking you what's going on with your skin. Lotions like this are lotions you should also consider, especially the skin success for people who have bleached damaged skin. Okay, Pure Carrot comes in 3 different variants. Do not forget, it comes in 3 different variants. Well, carrot, it comes in gold, and the black one, I don't even know that one's name, but yeah, they are very, very good. If you feel for any reason you react to carrot, I will, you know, beg you to go for the gold one, because me, anything that has to do with gold, I'm in for it, because my body is very soft and, you know, very sensitive. So if I use product anyhow, I will see, in fact, I will see anyhow. So that's why I don't do too much with product. The last but not the least is Fair and White Gold. Fair and White Gold is one cream that I love. The truth is, I cannot try all these products because, yeah, like I cannot try all the products, but these products are super nice. These products are products you can use for a long time. Then the Fair and White brand is one brand that I know that are very deliberate, very, very, very deliberate about their range. tailored it to meet different skin type, skin needs, as well as different skin concern. So which is why you want to play around with the one that you feel suits your skin. If you're looking out to maintain your skin tone, the gold one is for you. Or maybe you're looking out to maintain glow and treat your skin, the gold one is the one you should go for. You're looking out to correct dark spot, the skin perfector, the skin perfector is the one you should go for. They're just different there. Now if you're dark skin, the whitenizer, because that one does not whiten the skin. I don't know why they call it whitenizer, that has vitamin C, though people who are light skin are also using it. So the cream does not whiten, it does not select skin type or skin color, so it does not even darken the skin. So if you're dark, you use it. If you're white, you use it. If you're light skin, you use it. It does not give you any reason to worry about bleaching or going dark. I don't know if that makes any sense. So yeah, these are lotions that are very, very nice, well tailored to meet your different skin concern as well as different skin need. They will not give you any form of redness, any form of stretch marks, bleachy effects, green veins, or whatever thing like that. They're just going to brighten and enhance your skin color. Now, brightening simply means enhancing your skin color, like making it pop. So they are going to brighten and glow your skin tone, because all of them, they have sunscreen, so you can use them morning and night. You don't have to worry about, oh, what do I use in the morning, or what do I use at night. Yeah, you can use them morning and night because they come with, all of them, they come with SPF, so they are very safe for your skin. Yes, they are also meant for all skin type. Okay, so which is why you should consider using these lotions. Okay, so yeah, that being said, I hope this was helpful. How is my makeup? I'm just like feeling myself. You guys, so yeah, that being said, I'm going to end it right here. I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.